Hey there, space enthusiasts. Get ready for a cosmic journey like no other. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most hostile planets in the universe. These are the kinds of places that would make even the bravest astronauts think twice. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an adventure that's out of this world. From a song of ice and fire to a planet full of diamonds, here are the 11 most hostile planets in the universe. Number 11, HD 189733. B. The glassy blue rain world. Our first stop on this extreme tour is HD 189733b, a blue gas giant that's a staggering 2.9 million miles away from its star. To put that in perspective, it's about 166 times farther than Jupiter is from the Sun. But here's the kicker. This fiery behemoth races around its star in just 2.2 days, hurtling through space at an astonishing 134,000 miles per hour. Now picture this. HD 189733b is a true hot Jupiter, with temperatures that can soar to nearly 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt metal. It's so close to its star that one side is permanently locked in a scorching embrace, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. But what's really bizarre is its blue color. There's no water here, just water vapor. Scientists believe it's due to reflective silicate clouds that form glass droplets, resulting in epic glass storms with winds reaching speeds of up to 6,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a fighter jet. And if that's not enough, it gets bombarded by lethal radiation from its star, causing it to lose its atmosphere at an alarming rate. Surviving here would be an impossible feat. So forget about a summer vacation on this planet. It's more like a one-way ticket to a cosmic sauna of doom. Number 10. 55 Cancri E's Inferno. Our next stop takes us to 55 Cancri E, a rocky planet that's nearly 8 times the size of Earth. But here's the kicker. It orbits its star at a mere 1.4 million miles, which is closer than most planets in our solar system. One side of 55 Cancri E is perpetually exposed to its star, reaching temperatures that could roast a turkey in seconds, a blistering 4,200 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, there's more. Scientists even suspect this planet might experience periodic hot storms complete with, you guessed it, lava rain. Imagine walking on a planet where molten rock falls from the sky. It's a volcano lover's dream and a sunbather's nightmare. What's truly mind-boggling is its composition. Despite being twice the size of Earth, it has nearly 9 times the mass. Some astronomers think it might be made of high-pressure carbon in the form of graphite and diamond, mixed with a bit of iron and other elements. In fact, its estimated value is a mind-blowing 384 quadrillion times more than Earth's entire gross domestic product. But before you start planning a heist, remember that this diamond world is a scorching furnace where even the toughest materials would turn to liquid in seconds. It's a place where bling might literally rain from the sky, but you wouldn't live to enjoy it. Number 9. Gliese 1132b, when 2 atmospheres are better than 1. Now, let's journey to Gliese 1132b. A rocky exoplanet that's got some serious identity issues. It's similar in size, mass, and age to Earth, but it's much closer to its star, Gliese 1132. This star is not your average sun. It's 5 times smaller, colder, and dimmer, emitting radiation 200 times weaker than our own sun. Gliese 1132b is a mere 1.4 million miles away from its star, which makes it sizzle at a toasty 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's hot enough to cook a pizza in seconds, but that's not the only thing that sets this planet apart. What's truly intriguing is that it has 2 atmospheres. Yes, you heard that right. The second atmosphere is rich in hydrogen cyanide, methane, and ammonia, and it's got a hydrocarbon fog to top it off. But why this bizarre setup? Well, astronomers think it's because of extensive volcanic activity caused by powerful tidal forces from the star. Hydrogen from the primordial atmosphere gets absorbed by the planet's molten magma mantle and is released slowly by volcanoes, forming a new atmosphere. This second atmosphere isn't your tropical beach paradise, though. It's constantly replenished with a large amount of hydrogen from the mantle's magma. So even if you manage to survive the scorching heat on one side, you'd still have to contend with a toxic cocktail of gases on the other. Gliese 1132b is a real nope for interstellar vacation plans. Number 8. Kepler 70b, hotter than the Sun. Our next destination is Kepler 70b, located a staggering 4,200 light-years away from us. This planet orbits a dying star with a temperature that's off the charts. 49,452 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most stars in the galaxy. Now, here's the twist. Kepler 70b is only half the size of Earth, but it's incredibly dense, and its surface could be scorching at around 12,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to make you wish for a dip in a volcano. But here's the mystery. We can only see a fraction of its core. This planet used to be a gas giant, but it fell victim to its overgrown star, which exploded into a red giant about 18 million years ago. The gas giant transformed into a blazing, hot, rocky world. Today, it stands as one of the hottest planets ever discovered, with temperatures exceeding even that of the surface of our Sun. Now, the catch is, it's evaporating, and its fate as a planet is uncertain. It's like witnessing a cosmic thriller with a fiery finale. Number 7. Poltergeist PSR B1257 plus 12, the ghostly remnant. Buckle up because we're off to Poltergeist PSR B1257 plus 12, an exoplanet located a whopping 1,957 light-years away in the constellation Virgo. It's the first exoplanet ever discovered, and it orbits a pulsar named PSR B1257 plus 12, which emits intense beams of radiation. This planet is more than 4 times heavier than Earth, and orbits its star in about 66.5 days. But here's the kicker. It's in a system that became a graveyard after a giant supernova explosion. The intense radioactive radiation from the pulsar makes it impossible for any life forms to exist on PSR B1257 plus 12. This planet is a haunting reminder of the cosmic forces that shape our universe, and it's definitely not a place you'd want to call home. With its intense radiation, it's a true ghost world where the remnants of a cataclysmic event continue to play out in the cosmic void. Number 6. Trees 2b, the endless darkness. Prepare yourself for a journey to the darkest corner of the universe. Trees 2b. This gas giant, larger than Jupiter, orbits incredibly close to its sun-like star, and it's got a mysterious secret. It reflects less than 1% of the light it receives, rendering it an absolute black void. Imagine a planet where night never ends. There are no shimmering stars adorning the skies here. Trees 2b is like a black hole of light, absorbing almost everything that touches it. The burning air on this world gives rise to a faint, dark red glow, making it a planet of perpetual darkness. It's a place that defies our common notions of day and night, and if you were standing on its surface, you'd feel like you're in the eerie twilight zone of space. Hold on tight because our next destination is truly out of this world. Number 5. WASP 76b, the exoplanet that rains molten iron. WASP 76b. This planet is a true enigma. It's tidal locked to its parent star, which means one side is scorched with temperatures that could vaporize iron, a blistering 4,532 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's where things get strange. On the cooler side, when iron vapor from the scorching side gets carried across by powerful winds, it cools and forms liquid droplets. Imagine molten iron turning into rain and bombarding the cooler side of the planet. The key clue to this bizarre phenomenon was discovered when astronomers found no traces of iron on one side of the world, but on the other, it's literally raining molten iron. It's like a scene from a science fiction movie turned into reality. And if you thought Earth's weather was unpredictable, imagine dealing with a rain of molten metal. Number 4. Osiris, the living melting pot. Now let's visit a planet that's not just hot, but mind-blowingly hot, Osiris. This planet is located a mind-boggling 8 times closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun. As you can imagine, that proximity results in scorching temperatures that would make even the most resilient spacecraft melt away. Osiris is a place where anything that can burn does. Its extreme proximity to the sun-like star causes its atmosphere to be in a perpetual state of turmoil. It's a living melting pot where temperatures soar to unimaginable levels, with temperatures towards the core of the planet exceeding 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine a place where the air itself is on fire, where even the hardiest materials are reduced to ashes in seconds. Osiris is a planet that defies the very concept of habitability, and it's a stark reminder of the brutal forces at play in the cosmos. Number 3. Upsilon Andromeda b, a song of ice and fire. Our next destination, Upsilon Andromeda b, is a planet of extreme contrasts. This Neptune-sized exoplanet completes an orbit in just under 5 days. But here's where it gets interesting. The temperature difference between its day side and night side is staggering. On the day side, temperatures can soar as high as 2,912 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt most metals, but flip to the night side, and you'll find temperatures plummeting to as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing that's the stuff of nightmares. So if you were on Upsilon Andromeda B, you'd experience the equivalent of jumping into a volcano as you transition from the day side to the night side. It's a planet that challenges our understanding of planetary climates and keeps you on your toes, quite literally. Number 2. Gliese 581c, Eternal Winter. Our penultimate stop is Gliese 581c, a planet that orbits a small, cool red dwarf star. Despite its proximity, this exoplanet remains eternally frigid, with temperatures plunging as low as -370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's only marginally warmer than absolute zero, almost as cold as your ex's heart. The exoplanet's surface is a desolate, frozen wasteland that never thaws. It's a place where winter reigns supreme and the cold is relentless. However, beneath its frozen exterior, some speculate that unknown alien entities might exist, drawing heat from a potential rocky core. So, while it might be tempting to imagine cozy winter getaways, Gliese 581c is a place where winter never ends. And it's not exactly a vacation spot for sunseekers. Number 1. HR 5183b, the Whiplash Planet. Our final destination is HR 5183b, a super Jupiter that's 3 times the mass of our solar system's largest planet. What makes this planet truly unique is its orbit. It's highly eccentric, literally shaped like an egg. Most planets follow relatively circular orbits, but not this one. Astronomers discovered HR 5183b by observing the tiny wobble it causes in its parent star, HR 5183, which results in a dip in brightness. This process took a staggering 20 years of observations with 3 telescopes. And here's the kicker: we've yet to see the world complete a full orbit. Highly eccentric orbits like this are usually observed in planets closer to their host stars, but this one takes eccentricity to a whole new level. So why does this happen? Well, one theory is that HR 5183b once had a neighboring planet whose gravity deflected its orbit. It's a cosmic dance that challenges our understanding of celestial mechanics. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of some of the most extreme and unforgiving planets in the universe. These celestial bodies push the boundaries of what we thought was possible and remind us of the incredible diversity and harsh realities of our cosmos. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the universe is a tapestry of wonder and strangeness, with each planet telling its own unique story. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find that elusive planet that's just right for us. But until then, space exploration remains an adventure filled with danger and discovery. If this cosmic journey has piqued your curiosity, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Your support is what propels our mission to provide you with the most up-to-date information on space and technology. And as always, keep gazing at the stars, for the cosmos is a boundless source of wonder. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, stay tuned and keep exploring with the SpaceTech Gazette.